Thank you guys so much for believing in us. After all these years, after so many things that we've been through, thank you kasi may tiwala pa rin kayo sa amin. We hope that we made you proud. And of course, syempre sa fans natin na never bumitaw.
Yes! At nadagdagan pa.
Yeah. So thank you.
Thank you. Sana hindi ito ang huli.
Yes.
Na pelikula.
Yeah.
No? Gusto mo ba ba?
Oo naman!
So, part 2. Happy for you na. And of course, ako gusto mo salamat sa'yo. Thank you. Thank you for doing this whole journey with me. Na hindi mo ako iniwan, na magkasama tayo sa laban ito. Maraming salamat. Thank you. And hopefully, this is not our last.
Dito kami guys.
Again, thank you. Sabi natin,
Dito kami guys.
hindi, part natin lahat. Kasi syempre, grabe yung naging ano na to. Pero before I get to you, kailangan natin magpasalamat kay Derek P.
Ilalasan namin si Derek eh. Kasi special ka sa amin.
Wait, but the writers, kaya content.
Oo, yes, thank you. Kaya sabi ko sa lahat eh, hindi mahirap eh. Thank you very much, Sai.
Guys, thank you.
Diyan naman si Sai. Yes, thank you sa inyo.
Okay, well, thank you, Josh. Thank you so much for this crazy,
Super crazy.
awesome, crazy experience. But I feel like hindi natin malalagpasan kung hindi talaga tayo nagtulungan. So,
And hindi tayo naging open.
yes.
Thank you for being open.
Yes, thank you also for being open. Thank you for being present and patient. Ang dami kong pwedeng sabihin sa'yo, baka mamaya
Alam ko rin naman kung ano yung dapat ipagpasalamat.
Super, I'm so proud of us and I'm so happy for you. Okay, final track.
Yes, Derek! Oh my God! Thank you very much. Nasaksihan mo lahat ng hirap namin. Grabe.
Right now, meron pa rin feeling na hindi totoo lahat na nangyari. Just because I feel like everything happened too fast. And I feel like fast siya because yun, we were all so intense and passionate about this project. Nalala ko yung moment na tinawagan ako ni Kukay to tell me about the project. And to admit it now, no, parang it was the first time na parang I was not ready to like commit agad. Na parang kumbaga like hinanapan ko talaga yung reason on why I wanted to do this project. And it led me eventually to the most intimate and personal thing I've ever done in my career, in my life. I really felt like it was not just because of the story, but I also feel like it was a combination of all the people that were involved. So I wanted to start with the people I work with at Star Cinema, because we've been doing this for 3. Because we've been doing this constantly for the past 3 years, and this is my dream to make films with Star, Alamin and Chris, when I started making with them, and to actually live this dream of mine, to work with the people I admire, and to live with a team that I can call my family. And then lastly, sabi ko nga sa isang interview sa akin, it was Joshua and Julia, sila yung wings that this project needed so it could fly. And thank you for letting me into your lives and letting me be part of this journey of yours. I can't say it enough, but I love you as people. I fucking love you guys so much. And thank you for giving it your all. Because I really saw na every time na ayokong sumuko, kayo din ayaw yung subukan yung bawat moment sa paggawa ng pelikula nito. Yun. And thank you everyone. Hanggang sa promotions where hindi tayo makakarating dito kung hindi sa lahat ng mga tao na nandito. So salamat, palakpakan natin ang ating mga sarili because we did that.
Showing pa rin po kami on our 6th week.
6th week? Wow! Deserve ng cheers nun! So, ayun lang, no? And sana mag-enjoy tayo lahat tonight. Deserve natin to, ibigay natin tong gabi na to para sa ating lahat. Thank you, everyone.
Diyan na ngayon, Julia, Joshua, just stay there. Let's call in the rest of the cast. Sina Bong, sina Bianca, si Aljon, Victor, Sweet, just let's have a group photo. And tama nga, Julia, we're now on our 6th week. Sixth week. And meron tayong theatrical runs worldwide. We have US, Canada, Guam, Australia, UAE, Qatar. That's 5th week. And 2nd week na tayo sa Singapore. And we're starting in Malaysia. We just started in Malaysia yesterday, September 19th. And we're also starting Hong Kong this weekend. And next weekend naman, Cambodia.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
You wanna know something? Worldwide gross is 450 million. So, congratulations to everybody. And, like I said, we're full of gratitude.
Salamat sa Cinema Chris Gasmen, sa mga mayora ng Star Cinema. From Chulina Marvin to Captain to Don Bell and now Joshua. So at least nakakaalala ko lang, swerte po ako sa mga natin. Huwag mo kaya kalimutan. Yung mga binanggit ko, nasa office ko na, hindi ko lang ngayon. Maraming salamat. I will be forever grateful. Gusto ko lang malaman mo na si Direk Cathy may Joros sa lahat ng pelikula niya. Si Wendell Lamas may DJ Carano. Si Joey Lamangan may Chimpa Bengo. I don't mind kasi lahat ng pelikula mo nandun ako na. Anytime for you, I love you. Thank you, everyone.